Hello crafty friends! Today we are going to create a fun snow globe journal using the Christmas card kit from Simon Says Stamp. The kit is full of fun stuff. It has those 2 sheets of stickers and 6x6 pad, really nice patterns. This 12x12 I got it extra, it's not on the kit. The beautiful stickers are amazing. I use my scan and cut machine to cut these pages and a little slightly bigger cover page. It looks like so it will be the base for the snow globe. I also die cut all those circles from the 6x6 pad using the stitch circle dies. So here is the snow globe. I cut it from one of the 6x6 pad papers. I tripled on the foam tape so the shaker elements will move inside freely. It's going to be a shaker snow globe. Here I'm leveling, I'm adding half a circle on top so it will be leveled with the snow bank. I cut the snow back using the border stitch dies from Lawn Fawn. So I'm gonna be putting this, I'm gonna be putting cute stickers to create the scene inside the snow globe, and then I'm gonna put the shaker elements on some snow, and then I'm gonna close the top of everything with acetate, and then I'm gonna put a full circle frame around it so it will cover all the foam tip underneath. So we are going to create something like 10 pages, 10 inner pages, and this cover. So I'm going to leave you to watch all the pages that I created. In all of them, I used the circle as a background, and then on top of it, I was creating a scene with the stickers. So I'm gonna leave you see how I created those pages, and I will catch you by the end so we can flip through the whole journal. Alright you guys, so this is the final journal. This is the front. I added the base. It has wood grain, just white tone on tone. This is the shaking, it's very beautiful. And here are the inner pages. The card kit is so amazing. The patterns are amazing. The cute images. I love the snow mountains at the back. Here's a girl's room and a boy's room with all their gifts and toys. So this is my best one. And here is Santa's sleigh and the reindeers. And a mouse apparently eating Santa's cookies. And this is the front door, and this is the top roof with the chimney, and this is a beautiful scene of the critters enjoying. And here is the gingerbread man and Santa's mug. Just amazing. The dimension in these stickers are so amazing. I had so much fun creating these pages with you today. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!